I often get asked, how do I clean my silver nipple cups? Usually after feeding, warm water is just fine. They actually disinfect themselves because they're silver. If you want to give them a good cleaning because they've oxidized or tarnished, or you want to make sure that they're super clean, you can just take a little bit of baking soda, put it in your cup, and then use some warm water on a cloth to make a little paste inside the cup. Give it a really good rub off all of the oxidation and tarnishing. You can clean both sides and then rinse and dry them. Do not put them in the dishwasher. There is no need to boil them. They should disinfect themselves. And again, these should not be used with other creams or balms or pastes. They should just be your breast milk, your nipple, and the cup. So if you've got a lot of goop in there from using other products, use baking soda, rinse them really well and dry them, and stop using creams, balms, and pastes with them, because the silver is doing what it should. The silver will actually disinfect itself. It is antimicrobial, antiviral, antibacterial. So these should not be a breeding ground of bacteria. Warm water rinses after each use. For more information on silverettes, check out my new YouTube video at LA Lactation LLC on YouTube. Now you know.